Yeah, me G, Chronicler versus Malie Donn. Who you feel like winning war?
You know, say Chronicler bad man. One law bad man. One law. Malie Donn a baby, bro. You know thing, man. You law boss bad man. Thick school, man. You. And a thick school. Baby, man.
Anybody you like to big up?
Oh, big up. Yo, big up my dog, them. Big up all 6 bars. Squash, man. All of them. Big up my dog, them. Room.
Yeah, people supporting business. The man do business, supporting business. Yeah. Chronicler or Malie Donn. Who you feel like winning clash?
Chronicler.
Why you say that?
Chronicler, I have a thing for Malie Donn, man. So Chronicler gone with that far. Malie Donn not going good no, but Chronicler come much up in the last.
Yeah, me G, what you think about Malie Donn versus Chronicler?
Chronicler na better than Malie Donn, man.
Yes. Why you say that?
Whole heap of money we make on history, man. You know that.
Like the video here. Make sure you subscribe and please like the video, share the video, comment. Make sure you subscribe. You see me? Yeah.
Pessimist and English vocalist, music and nobody. We got the flow, we run the show, see. We in town, tell them to hear Marshall in town. When the smoke clear, they will be gone. I will be there, this is the Marshall sound. Watch how you talk, this is Marshall sound. Watch where you walk, this is Marshall sound. Anybody love dancehall music out there? Go,
We said Jackie, we everything. So we not lose with sanity. We no friend for anything. So them can't use nothing to catch me. Whenever you hear me sing, I'm from the yard to the top of the chart. And that's why we hail the king. Oh yes, we are hail the king. Why? We say no for them do anything to make it, anything for nice, anything for little bling bling, a piece of ice. Them do anything for something. It carry a little price. We go lay down in a hotel or sit down on a flight. All right, Josh, pull up that one there for me right away. How we feeling? Yeah, man. Speak to me, yeah. Every word you say feels like a goodbye. Oh my gosh, I wanna take you with me everywhere. Listen to you every day. Park up in a Jeep, is this the life you really want to lead? See, they all your daughter start to teach. What them I go do when she asks, oh, where daddy gone? Oh gosh, we're so too haunted. Them sit down in a yard, they put them haunted. Oh yes, and I know them like no child. I said the gallows and the guillotine. See me, you know what I mean. I said the youth's haunted. Them sit down in a yard, they put them wanted. Oh yes, and I do them might not charge. Now me come from the ghetto, so I'm not bad man, you know. Hear me have to tell them now. Watch your book. Hey yo, my youth, if you want listen when me talk. In the road you free for walk, you best that you just build back. The boy them get the news, them a hunt your heart, hear about the AR. With the extra clip, them round and Gwen. Just think about the pressure you are respond, mommy. The pain she be around gosh when she didn't have you in her tummy. I see you want identify your body now, gosh. I say we're sons of mine. Oh gosh, the youths them wanted. Them sit down in my yard, they want them haunted. How is, although they might not charge. I said the gallows and the guillotine. Yeah. But y'all dealing with G. Alright. When remember them running me, I sing a couple songs from it first. Why go? I'm taking a ride, alright. A joy ride. Whoa. Me and my baby. Taking a ride, alright. So brand new from off a Lila Ike album. Why go again? I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby on a day. Oh no, on a romantic call. Lila, I tell you can't take me fraud. Lord, I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby on a day. I'm on a romantic call. Lila, I tell you can't take me fix. I'm say come here, come vibe, no. Come off of your come some pride, no. Me say the killer come tell you say me like you, make you hype so. Me know you like the vibe, but you want whole composure. I bet you if me get a little closer, want to grab me like a controller. I bet no ta, oh me waist. Why go again? I'm on a romantic, talking to my baby.
Movement! Happy the girl never dead. Her from Canada. Yeah, man, they trying to self, man. What is yeah, man? Who wants ya? Alright. Let me say, put your hands up. Me tell you your body good and your body good. Cause old boy, you gonna get this place pumped up. She live a Jackson and she said she Can everybody say it's a CB moment? It's a lifestyle, run it. We're from kind of good that book. We're from kind of big up yourself in the DJ, that is it. How you say? Let's put some corruption. Nobody. What's up? Alright. Have you said to the eyes of the when your body good and your body good? Cause one boy, you gonna get the place pumped up. She live for Jackson and she said she love. We don't touch her with it. Touch her with it. What? Bitch, I'm on the top. We are touch it here. So what's that? I know what's up. Alright. We are gonna cut them one by one. Girl and girl, cut them few by few. Some of them will press my string. I bring some girls with it. Have you seen every time there's something I'm moving, something.
Son boy, where you get that reading from, bro?
Easy no man.
Mind that reading that body, no? It reminds me like some foundation, real foundation dancehall music. As a matter of fact, my next brother, JYGT, where there? DJ, give it again now.
People, big up on yourself tonight. When you think Giamara going good, right? Yeah, Giamara going good night place. When you see me again the DJ. My brother, big up yourself. You didn't understand what you just do a while ago. I'm proud of your youth. You understand what I say? But you said a beat like here, foundation dancer 9 to 5. Big up Uncle in Marshall night place. But the general a dancer, you know where I would have said on a beat like this? Go so. Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Are you worried? Are you worried again?
This way you do, that you do from the stage.
What you gonna do?
I forgot to find something now. Jeez and peas, alright? Alright, they go old school, now go find a new school, but sir. People are ready. CB, watch your style. We're just about to we go bust the cylinder.
Alright. Me kind of old school, see? Me love 90s dancehall. Anybody born in the 90s? Born in the 80s, right? 90s. Say no, so we take shots from no boy, right?
No boy.
Let's do this. We show them one boy. Alright, and me say bad man, no dress like girl. We know we know inside, kill everybody know. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Inside, kill everybody know.
Alright, well now, I got show now. I got show now for done the place now. I got show now for done the place now.
Yeah.
When you ready?
Yeah.
Watch your style now. Hey CP, this man from 90s, Machiavelli make I know what I'm
We don't stop it. Alright, hold on. I see me chicken, right? You know what I like? Tell them it a can cook. Tell them you feel your pretty looks like one. If a rasta man a cook, dog man back cook. Yeah. Recipe. Hold on. Ease, watch it out. Permanent, permanent, be dead. Permanent, be dead. And you say, man, this is. Hold on a second. Let's watch it. Watch it. Goodbye. Don't stop it. You know what people know say? You know what Moses say? Do you remember man, a bad man, wicked man, the tech man fit all? In a million dancing.
Forward. People, when you don't even know what just going while ago, you know say, today, the 31st, and some boy birthday, you know people. Enough artists not get to perform on them DJ, come to this one. Enough artists that get to perform on their birthday. So I could give my love and give my energy. Watch this time. Happy birthday, young friend.
Yeah. One more year pandemic.
Watch I know.
One will have it. Next year we do it again.
Love. Blessings and love.